Hi.
Sit in your chair.
We said hi to Aiden.
Yeah.
And who's this?
That's Donald and Daddy.
Hi.
Hi.
Good. You took some video. Yay!
Yay!
Oh, he missed. Oh, look at this.
And we're going around. Here we go. Hold on. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, there we turned around. That was the end, I guess. And now back we go. Are you having fun on this day?
Yeah.
Yeah. What ride do you want to do again?
Is that all the rides we did?
That's all we've done so far. Look at that bike down there. Look at all the ducks down there.
This is a nice island. I have to come to this island again on another day.
Do you?
Yeah.
Look at the CN Tower peeking out over there.
There's more parts of the CN Tower.
Yeah.
There's a whole part of the CN Tower we can see so far. There's the CN Tower.
That's
Take a picture of
amazing.
it.
I am. Look how far down that boat is. And those ducks, look at them going way below us.
But what are those?
That's, I don't know. Ryan, wave.
There's Ryan. Can you see Ryan?
Morgan's in a swan. I can't see you. Where's Grandma? Poor Grandma hit her
Grandma's
head.
got a bump on her head.
Morgan, are you in a swan?
Yep.
Yep.
Aiden and Haley are behind us.
No, there's no Aiden there. Where's Aiden?
Aiden and
We're done.
No.
Here they come. Wave to Morgan. Hi down there. Hi Morgan. Hi. Bye.
Wow, it's going the first part. Go away.
Look how high they are.
Jordan. Jordan.
And then here's Sue and Haley. And my mom getting attacked by geese.
I think I'll have some chips.
Or goose or duck. What do you call these things? What are you? What are you? I got rid of them for you. Go get them, Morgan.
They used to have one here. Okay, Morgan, that's enough. Leave him alone. Not afraid.
Morgan, hands up!
Hands up, Morgan. Hands up.
That's funny. No fear this one. It really throws your, you should try. Throws your tummy. I'm just trying to keep an eye on Ryan there. Whee! Morgan, was that fun?
Yeah.
They're having a blast.
Yeah!
Aiden! You're on video! Yay! There goes Ryan! entrevistarlo. That's cool. You want to go up there? Oh man. We got to get Daddy for that one. That whole line is shaking.
Ryan, are you going into a new family?
Come on.
Oh, he's welcome.
Yeah, we'll get it, George, as soon as we're on the boat.
We just told him who he was. King of the island.
Yeah, you are.
He was